Hello friends, it's the Stitches. A lot of you guys have asked me about my tips and advice for making your own patterns and altering patterns, and just in general all about the pattern drafting process. And while I certainly don't feel that I'm the most qualified to talk about patterning, I did take some extensive and frustrating classes on drafting patterns when I was in costuming school. So I guess I can go over some basics. The first step to making your own patterns at home is to get a basic set of well-fitted slippers. This is also the most complicated part of the process. If you're an absolute pattern beginner, I strongly recommend that you get your measurements taken by a professional tailor and then getting a sloper set drafted for you. There are several websites you can order these from, but if you really want to go all in, there are several great tutorials on YouTube, one of which I will link in the description. All patterns are based off of a sloper and are created by making alterations to them. A sloper, in essence, is the standard, generic, basic fitted sheath dress garment thing. Say you need to move a dart, or you want to combine darts, or you want to split darts, or just in general put them in different places. Using a pivot point between the two darts, we can move it around and create a new shape that will still allow us a place to put, you know, boobs. Let's say you hate darts and you want to make some princess seams instead. You can do that too by extending and curving the darts until they touch, creating two separate bodice front pieces. You can always extend lines to make things longer, cut things up and spread them out, and turn them into gathering. You can do all kinds of stuff with this method. There's really no limit to the types of shapes that you can create. So you already have endless options with this one method, and we haven't even gotten to draping yet, which is a whole different system of making garments. But that's all we have time for today. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was at least somewhat useful. I hope the link down below will help you make a bodice pattern. And I think I have some sort of hip block saved in my saved tutorials as well, so I'll put one of those down there as well. There are also all kinds of other basic pattern alteration tutorials on YouTube, so if you are thinking of making a certain shape and you don't really know how to do it, the internet is a wonderful tool and you can probably find a tutorial for pretty much anything once you understand the basics of how to move around pattern shapes. And that is all for this video. I hope everybody has a good day and I will see you all next time. Bye!